This is another video of how to build a mini Lego Minecraft items and TNT. So today we will be building a lamp, a bed, a sword, and a sign. We'll start off with the lamp. I'll let you look at them while I build. Just so you know, you might want to look at the building too. So you need one tall 1x1, two 2x2s, and two clear 1x2s in brick. You will take the long one and one of the 2x2s with the middle hole onto the stud, like that. And the two 1x2s go right on top. That's how you build the lamp. And let's do the bed. So you will need a 4x6 plate, three 2x4s, and then two brick 2x2s. These were all bricks except the plate. You will take this for your bed and two of your 2x2, of your 2x4s, and then the last one goes on like this, not sticking out like this, both on, and then the two 2x2s go on top of the red. That's how you make a bed. And then we will do the sword. It's pretty simple. You will need a 1x4, a 1x3, and a 1x1 square. You will take the 1x4 and the 1x3. The 1x3 is not on the bottom, it's up one. And then the 1x1 goes bottom. That's how you build the sword. And then for the sign, it's two pieces. One 1x4 and one 2x3. So the top two right here and the middle two here go like that. That's how you build the sign. And that will be all for today. Oh, and I forgot. I also built two other swords. I built a diamond sword and a wood sword. Those are the other swords. And then tomorrow we will be building the pickaxe, the axe, and the shovel. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody.